Are your balcony evenings ruined by mosquitoes? Or maybe your plants are under attack from aphids? Don't worry, you don't need harsh chemicals to enjoy your balcony. In this video, I will show you my best natural tricks to keep insects away, protect your plants, and make your balcony a peaceful space. And stay with me until the end because I will also share some extra tips for slugs, snails, and ants, three of the most annoying balcony invaders. On a balcony, you usually face two categories of pests: the ones that bother you, like mosquitoes, and the ones that damage your plants, like aphids or whiteflies. Our goal isn't to whip them out completely, that will hurt the natural balance. Instead, it's about repelling them and protecting your plants in a safe, eco-friendly way. Let's start with repellent plants. They are natural, beautiful, and often useful in the kitchen. Their scents are pleasant for us, but unbearable for many insects. Let's start with mint. Its strong, fresh smell repels mosquitoes, flies, ants, and even aphids. It grows quickly in pots, but because it spreads easily, it's best to keep it in its own containers. Moving on to basil, a culinary favorite that also helps repel mosquitoes and flies. It thrives with plenty of sun and regular watering. Next comes lavender. With its calming scent and pretty flowers, it attracts pollinators while driving away mosquitoes, moths, or fleas. A sunny balcony pot is perfect for it. Of course, we can't forget citronella, including citronella geraniums. It's the classic natural mosquito repellent. Easy to grow, low maintenance, and highly effective. Finally, there is rosemary. This hardy Mediterranean herb repels flies, mosquitoes, and aphids. Since it loves sun and resists drought, it's an excellent choice for hot balconies. Arrange these plants around your sitting area or near your vegetable pots, and you will create a natural protective shield. Plants help, but sometimes you need an extra push. Here are a few simple homemade solutions with ingredients you already have in your kitchen. Black soap spray. Dilute 1 tablespoon of liquid black soap in 1 liter of water and spray directly on leaves infested with aphids or scale insects. The soap coats and suffocates pests without harming the plant. White vinegar spray. Mix 1 part white vinegar with 1 part water and spray on ant trays to disrupt the scent path. Also work for cleaning balcony surfaces. Coffee ground barrier. Use used coffee grounds from your coffee maker and spread a layer around the base of plants. The strong smells repel slugs, snails, and ants, while also enriching the soil. Beer trap for slugs. Fill a small container like a cut plastic bottle with beer and bury it halfway near your plants. Slugs are attracted, fall in, and drown. Empty and refill regularly. These DIY methods combined with repellent plants make your balcony much less attractive to pests while keeping it safe for you and your plants. But insects aren't the only problem. Slugs, snails, ants, even caterpillars can stick onto your balcony. Here is how to deal with them naturally. Slug and snails. They love young shoots at night. Besides beer traps, crushed eggshells scattered around your pots create a sharp barrier they don't like. Coffee grounds also help. Ants, they don't eat plants directly, but they protect aphids, which makes the problem worse. Sprinkle cinnamon around pots or spray diluted white vinegar to confuse them. Caterpillars. The simplest method is hand-picking. Check the underside of leaves regularly. If there is a big infestation, a diluted vinegar spray can help. Prevention is key. Keep your balcony clean by removing dead leaves and plant debris. Don't overwater. Too much humidity attracts pests. And always use good quality potting soil, which reduces soil-borne insect problems right from the start. So there you have it, repellent plants, DIY sprays, and natural tricks for slugs, ants, and more. With this solution and a few good habits, you can enjoy a clean, healthy, insect-free balcony without chemicals. If you found this video helpful, give it a like, subscribe for more balcony gardening tips, and tell me in the comments what's your biggest battle with balcony pests.